All right, it's Sunday.
Woo.
All day.
All day.
Hey. All right, we're finishing up the Deftones Belching Beaver front row pack. We have the
Dia de los Deftones Mexican style lager with lime.
that one.
Yes.
Very cool can art.
Yes.
Let you do your spiel.
Well, anybody who is a Deftones fan, Jesus Christ, man, fuck, knows that the Deftones hold a big concert around the Day of the Dead every year out in California, and it is called Dia de los Deftones. So, very nice can art. No little spiel on here. But, oh, that's funny. It says good damn good times. It's a beaver.
That's funny.
But it is a, what percent? I saw it somewhere. 5%er.
Okay.
Lager with natural flavor added.
Beaveriness.
Can't wait. Lime flavored beaveriness. Who doesn't like a little lime flavored beaver booty? Pours nice and light and clear as a Mexican style lager would. I can smell the lime from here while I'm pouring it. See if there's any sediment.
So do they put out one of these every year, or is this a special thing, one-time thing?
I know they've been putting out mixed packs for a minute, but I don't know if they've changed year over year. Ohms, the album only came out 2 years ago, so.
Okay.
But I know that they've been doing several collaborations.
I'll have to keep an eye out every year for your birthday. Might be a thing.
That is very easy drinking and very refreshing. The lime comes through, but it's not overpowering. You still get the nice kind of weedy notes
nice.
of the lager, right?
Yeah, it's light. It's crisp.
That's a good.
The lime isn't
beer.
overpowering.
No, it's not. It doesn't taste fake lime because there are some limes out there that are.
The Dos Equis lime and salt lager was a little much.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, this is excellent.
Yeah, very light, very good.
Mm-hmm.
You'll have no problem polishing that one off.
Shit, no, that would go great with fajitas or being outdoors, whether by design or because the outdoors are a thing that people do. And sometimes those of us who prefer to remain indoors still have to venture out into the sun. Whatever.
All right, so out of the four, which was your favorite?
The Good Morning Beautiful was excellent.
Yeah, that was good.
With the maple
that would be the one that I would pick, honestly.
That was really, really good. But if you're an IPA fan or a pale ale fan, you can't go wrong with any of these. I don't think we've had anything from Belching Beaver, whether it be Deftones endorsed or not, that was not good.
No, they've all been pretty decent. So I can't say anything about the IPAs because I don't like any IPAs. But the other ones have been all delicious. So.
Yes.
All right. Well, Yay. Wrapped it up. That was your birthday present, or one of your birthday presents. So, boom. If you're in the California area, or you want to spend an arm and a leg to get this shipped to your house, it is actually still available. I was just on the Craft Shack website the other day, and they're still available, so you can order them yourself. And I think it's like $39.99 or something like that. So
worth it.
Not too bad, all things considered. But you want to probably get it up to the 100 miles to make the shipping reasonable. Anyway, or make it worth your while. So, all right, more to come.
Beer is good.
It is.